to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So yes, here I am at Hobby Lobby. We are vlogging, guys, so you will hear people talking in the background. Let's get started. I'm in this area right here where it's 40% off, and I just want to show you some of these beautiful, oh my goodness, these beautiful towels. And this one here says he is risen, and the hop, and then the bunny. It says Happy Easter over here, and I am loving the carrot theme. So they also have these beautiful boots, ceramic boots over here with the polka dots, $7.99, but 40% off everything I'm showing you. Then these cute little Easter eggs. So this is plastic, or I forgot what they call that, melamine. Okay, so then we have these dishes here, and of course look at all the colors they have. And let's see, so we have this design here. They're so cute. And then the dinner plates over here come in the colors. I love them. We have this one. So this is $3.99. And then you have the sale. Then you have this one here for kids. And look, they have the cabbage. I am loving the cabbage. So this cabbage set right here is ceramic. And so it's $9.99, and there's only 2 left. So I'm not sure what this is costing, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. Now look what I notice here. So it's just not the cutest thing. So you have a bunny inside of this cup. Let's see. I am loving that. Is that not cute? I love that. And then these I love so much too. I think the Dollar Tree may have these. What is this? $8.49 plus 70% off. And then you have the sweetest sponge cloths. So I've never used this, nor have I ever heard of these. I gotta try these. But these ceramics are so pretty for the counter. Then you have the spoon rest, $4.99. And look at these teeny tiny bunnies. They're so cute. They're like $5 a piece in the 2 colors. Here's for the eggs. And then this is the tulip pot holder. Here are some napkins. Okay, great for, and then some tablecloths. I am loving these runners. So they're $3.49. That's kind of cheap. So $3.49. Let's see. So it says $3.99 is $2.39. But over there it says $3.49. Guys, that's not a bad price. And look at it over there in that blue color. I'm loving the pink. And I love this table runner right here. And this one as well. And look at these containers. I just noticed these. So this is like $11.99. That's a little bit on the pricey side. I do like the bunny ears, and the salt and pepper shakers always make great tier tray decor, guys. Look at these. They're not cute. And I am absolutely loving their dishware. So they don't have very much of it left. This $8.99 a dish. That one is really pretty. And this one too. I'm just stuck on that cabbage one over there. So then we have some wooden boards for serving. And these are some trivets. Very pretty, guys. And then here's some bowls, some bunny bowls. Those are $4.99. And look how adorable these are. Look at that one with the little lavender tutu. This is really pretty too. And the basket. So right above me you have more runners. Okay, I love that bunny rabbit. Isn't he adorable? So here's a drying mat. And then you have some sponges in different shapes. And this is the part that I'm loving. So here you have the sleeve. Okay, I always get ahead of myself. So here you have a sleeve, which is where you put your utensils, just like you see that picture right there, in a tulip. And they do come in colors, as you can see here. I think that is so adorable. Now these are also adorable. They're $3.49. And let's see how many come in there. Not sure. I'm gonna say 4. And look at the colors. So these are really pretty. And then you have these, $1.99 for these holders. So these are also Okay, so these are also napkin holders. I love the carrots. And let's see, then you have the bunny rabbit. So I'm loving that. And then you have the nest. So look at the nest with the eggs. So these are napkin holders, guys. $3.99 plus the 40% off. And these are very pretty too. They're great for tier tray decor. So they have the yellow, the green. I like the stand-up bunny. The green, the blue, and the pink. So those are really pretty. Then here you have the bunny rabbit ears. They're also napkin holders. And look at the colors. So you have this green plaid, the lavender, and then you have the pink. How pretty is that? I'm liking these bunny ears. Look how, I just love those bunny ears. So I do like the plaid, but I think this is my favorite. And then look at these. So these are four for $5.49 minus the 40% off. And I'm loving these little boards. So I would use these for DIYs. That's just me. Or you can serve something small per person at your table. I'm sorry, guys. So then you also have, I think these are tablecloths, and there are the runners in the faux grass. Then you have some Happy Easter placemats, and look at this, Easter candy. I love the peeps. So let's see if I can find the price, $10.99. This one says Easter egg hunt and Easter bunny. So I don't think I showed you that before. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.